Yeah, yeah. Welcome to the gang. Bang, big bang. Let's go.
You're working 40, 60, or 80 hours a week and still broke. Here's why. You're working on the wrong business model. Most gurus say try SaaS, Amazon, FBA, drop shipping, but these models require massive capital. When you have $500 or less in the bank, you can't compete. But AI just leveled the playing field. Being lazy isn't about doing nothing. It's about efficiency. It's switching from rowing hard to getting into a better boat. A winning business model needs 3 things. 1. High scalability. Make more money without more work. 2. Low risk. Little to no upfront investment. 3. High reward. Big upside for strategic wins. Only one model fits: digital products. Here's the game changer. With AI, every product spin is essentially free. If it doesn't sell, it costs you nothing. You get infinite spins until you hit a winner, and you don't need expertise. AI is the expert now. It synthesizes research papers, books, and technical data faster than any PhD. Here's how you win. Step 1, niche down to a 3rd layer. 1 is the market. Fitness, too broad. Layer 2 is the niche, running, better, but crowded. Layer 3 is the gold. Resolve knee pain for marathoners over 50. The deeper you go, the less competition, the more money you make. Step 2, how to get eyes on your digital product. Pinterest is your hidden gem. Unlike social media, people go to Pinterest already searching for inspiration, an answer to their problem, or with the mindset to purchase. Another added bonus about Pinterest is that a pin you create today remains on the platform forever. So, it can potentially help you earn for weeks, months, or even years later. Use free AI tools to create your entire digital product for you, like ChatGPT or Claude, which can generate the pin image, title, description, keywords, and alt text. 0 risk, 0 upfront cost. Step 3, execute. Again, you can start with a simple ebook to test demand. You can publish for free to sites like Draft2 Digital. The barriers that prevented you from making passive income are gone. You have a choice. Keep grinding the hard way or leverage the lazy and most powerful way in human history using AI. The window for you to create your winning digital product is open now. Early movers win. Are you ready to stop rowing and switch to a better boat? Let's go, girl gang.